What is up, guys? It's your boy Big E back again with Italia Chains. And today we have an amazing statement piece review for you guys. Not only is this a statement piece, but this is one of the OGs of all the chains out there. It is a grandfather to the chains, and that is the classic Figaro chain. And today we have them in 15 millimeters, and these things are definitely a statement piece. We offer them in both 14 karat gold vermeil as well as a beautiful silver. And if you guys know anything about the Figaro, this chain has been around forever. And let's get this on the scale for you guys, and we are at 200 grams over here. And now quickly, let's get the silver on scale as well. And we are at 207 grams over here. Because you have the gaps, you get away with this big look, and you don't have the crazy 400 or 500 gram weight around your neck. With that, guys, let me put the silver around neck to show this to you guys. And this is absolutely beautiful right here. The silver chain, it sits completely flat, and it definitely has a presence on neck. And let's take a look at our 14 karat gold vermeil version, which I have right here. Stunning looking chain, and here we go, guys. It is absolutely gorgeous. I personally love this chain in both the silver and the gold. Make sure you head over to italiachains.com. Take a look at this 15 millimeter Figaro. So with that, guys, this has been the quick review of the 15 millimeter Figaro chain. Make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and as always, guys, sound off in those comments. This has been your boy Big E, and I am out. Peace.